We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in mysterious red sunglow. Also has some really nice pinstriping in a lighter red. So on this bike we have dual disc braking in the front. Also comes equipped with ABS front and rear. We have engine guards front and rear, and on the front we have highway pegs so you can stretch out. We have rider floorboards and passenger pegs. Nice Live to Ride derby cover. Matches a couple of other covers on the other side. These locking saddlebags. And they've also installed the low profile tour pack with luggage rack and have put a passenger backrest on there as well so it's comfortable. And we also have that rider backrest too. Some beautiful Vance & Hines pipes that we will listen to here in just a moment. Those matching covers. And we also have the iRide Command Center and the Airlift Performance. And miles are low. We're at 15,541. We run on a key fob, so we are keyless. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.